Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about poly build. Okay, so what we will do is that we will add a plane here. I'll go tab, I'll press tab, and there's the poly build tool. Okay, so I'm going to see that it makes something like this, a blue one. Okay, so I can click on it and I can drag it like this. It's like a tool, like a move, and I can do something like this. You see, I can create a phase, or let's say a quad. Okay, so I can do like this and create something like this, a phase like this, and I can press Z while I'm dragging it. Okay, so I'm going putting it in the y-axis, okay, like this, and I can put it in the Z. I'm pressing Z while dragging it and pressing let us press x-axis, and yeah, we can do another thing, which is let's add a solidify modifier. Okay, solidify, I will increase the number of the thickness of it, and yeah, you see it's thick, and I can add a subdivision surface for it, but I'll press Ctrl 1. Okay, I'll press Ctrl 1, which is shortcut for it, and I can click for this one, which is levels viewport. It will create something like this, and I'll shade smooth it, and it creates something like this. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.